What is up guys, I'm Stuart from Babylon Vertical Farms. We're back at our farm at the Garage KL, and this is Growing with Farmers, episode 4. Today we're going to grow sunflower shoots. As usual, we're going to need all our equipment that we usually use when we grow our microgreens. We've got our trays. Just a reminder, 2-tray system. Bottom tray holds the water when you water it. Top tray has holes poked in it so the roots can reach through and reach the water whenever it starts growing. Next, you're going to need to use about 50 grams of sunflower seeds. As usual, our bag of proprietary blended soil that we have, it's organic, so rest assured your plants that you grow, it's going to be fresh. Next you're going to need is a glass jar. Now we use glass jars, but you can use any container that you have at home. What we usually do is we soak the sunflower seeds with water, cap it and keep it in the fridge overnight for 1 day. Next item, we use our garden sprayer to mist our seeds after we've planted it. You can use any normal spray bottle you have at home, like the spray bottle you use when you iron your clothes. And then a jug of filtered water. Not that fancy, but it does the job. When it comes to growing sunflower shoots, the first step is soaking your seeds. You got a glass jar, 50 grams of sunflower seeds. Place it in like that. Jug of filtered water, and you pour it in. About 2/3 full is just enough. Shake it around. Okay, cap it up, and then place it in your fridge. Now you can leave it overnight for about 24 hours, but tomorrow morning the seeds will be soaked, drain out the water, and then you can start planting your sunflowers. First step as usual, we lay the soil. As usual, when we lay the soil on our trays, we use roughly about 2 handfuls of our proprietary soil. So after you soak the sunflower seeds, we've got some pre-soaked seeds here. Open the cap, take it out of the fridge. I'm pretty sure everyone has a sieve at home. And then you take it, and you filter the water out from the seeds. Now what we usually do is, we leave it under the fan for roughly half an hour to an hour to make sure the seeds all dry out nicely and are only slightly damp. When it comes to planting sunflower shoots, when you put the soil on the tray, all you want to do is just even it out nicely. It doesn't have to be too compact, so you don't have to pat it down too much. Just spread it out to all 4 corners, nice and loose. Just like that. Now after your seeds have dried under the fan for good airflow for about a couple of hours, you want to take your seeds, make sure it's not sticking together. And as in our previous videos, salt paste style these seeds all over the soil. Now, as usual, after we've sowed our seeds, we take our garden sprayer and we mist about 5 to 10 seconds all over the tray. Now you want to make sure that you don't mist it too wet until you press it and water starts rising up. Just damp enough. Now after you sprayed your tray, take an empty tray, place it on top, lightweight, and apply pressure like so. Now this pressure, when evenly distributed all over the tray, is going to help the seeds germinate much faster. You can leave it in the blackout, you can leave it in the dark in a well-ventilated room for about 3 to 4 days. After that, put it under a bright light for roughly 6 to 8 hours for an additional 2 to 3 more days. At the end of it, you're going to have sunflower shoots. Now after roughly 4 days, when your sunflowers are ready to be put under the bright light, you want to take it, the top tray, lift it up like so, bottom tray, and water it like this. Some light watering all around the tray, roughly 100 to 120 milliliters of cold water, and then place the top tray back on top. Now this will allow the roots to feed on the water underneath and help it grow much better, especially when you put it under the bright light. That's all for today folks. These are sunflower shoots. I'm Stuart from Babylon Vertical Farms, and thank you for growing with us. Well, I hope everyone's raya was great. Please leave a comment letting us know how your raya was like, especially when you couldn't balik kampung. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I think there should be a box over here just click there.